Do you want to earn extra money in 2024 without any special skills? What if I told you that you can get paid just by watching ads? Yes, you heard me right. In today's video, I'll show you the best apps and platforms that literally pay you to watch ads. It's easy, and anyone with a smartphone or computer can start making extra cash in their free time. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn passive moments, like waiting in line or scrolling through your phone, into a money-making opportunity. And trust me, one of these platforms has a hidden hack that can supercharge your earnings. You definitely don't want to miss that. Before we dive into the specific apps, let's break down how these platforms work. Advertisers pay these apps to show their ads, and the apps share a part of that revenue with you for watching and engaging with the content. It's a win-win. The advertisers get exposure, and you get paid. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this actually worth my time? Let me tell you, the secret to making this work is consistency and using the right apps. Some people are making hundreds of dollars per week, simply by running these apps in the background. Let's get into the details. Swagbucks, the ultimate multitasking app. First up, we have Swagbucks, probably the most well-known platform for earning money online. Swagbucks lets you earn points for watching short ads and videos, completing surveys, shopping online, and more. These points can be redeemed for PayPal cash or gift cards. Now, how much can you actually earn? On average, you can expect to make around $50 per week watching videos on Swagbucks, depending on how often you use the app. If you take advantage of their other earning opportunities like surveys and daily tasks, you could push that to $100 or more in a week. Pro tip: make sure you check their daily watch list for bonus offers. They sometimes have higher-paying video categories. I've personally earned up to $500 per month by consistently watching a few videos during my downtime. You might be thinking, do I really need to spend hours watching ads? Come on, guys. You know me. The answer is no. With Swagbucks, you can let the videos play in the background while you do other things. It's that easy. If you have multiple devices, you can run Swagbucks on a second screen and rack up those points even faster. Pro tip: take your old phone or iPad and use that one for this app. Inbox Dollars, cash for watching ads. Next, we've got Inbox Dollars, a platform that pays you directly in cash for watching ads, taking surveys, and even reading emails. Unlike some platforms that pay in points, Inbox Dollars pays in actual dollars, and you can cash out through PayPal once you hit $30. Yeah, baby! Now, here's where it gets interesting. You can earn between around 25 cents per video you watch on Inbox Dollars. That might not sound like much, but keep in mind, the videos are only like 30 seconds long. That means you can earn up to $25 per hour per device, just by letting an app run in the background. If you're consistent, watching just a few videos a day can easily add up to a good amount of money, especially if you combine it with their surveys and other offers. Here's why I love Inbox Dollars. They sometimes offer double rewards for specific ad campaigns. So if you time it right, you can double your earnings with minimal effort. And don't forget you get a $5 bonus just for signing up. For free. I've had friends who consistently use Inbox Dollars while binge-watching Netflix or scrolling through social media, and it's become a fun, low-effort way to earn a bit of extra cash. If you're already spending time on your phone, why not make some money while you're at it? Make sure to pay attention, because in the next one, I'll give you a pro tip that will make you a ton of money. Ad Wallet, higher paying ads with personalization. Now, let's talk about Ad Wallet, which is slightly different from Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars because it focuses solely on ad engagement. With Ad Wallet, you earn between 50 cents to $3 per ad you watch. The twist: you'll need to interact with the ad and answer a question about it to get paid, which ensures advertisers get more meaningful engagement. The higher payout per ad makes Ad Wallet one of the better options if you're looking to maximize your earnings in a shorter amount of time. Most people using AdWallet report earning $200 a week, but the real money comes from their referral program. This platform is great if you want to make a bit more per ad than on Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars. On AdWallet, the ads are usually more targeted to your interests, so the content is relevant and you're less likely to get bored. Here's the cool part. AdWallet also offers referral bonuses. For every friend you invite, you earn extra cash. Some users are earning hundreds of dollars just by referring friends who sign up and watch ads. So if you're social, this is a great way to turn AdWallet into a serious income stream. Pro tip: refer yourself with multiple devices. Big Brain Baby Cash Magnet. Earn by running ads in the background. This next one is a bit more passive. Cash Magnet. If you're an Android user, Cash Magnet pays you to run ads in the background on your phone. You don't have to do much, just set it up and let your phone rack up points as ads play. The best part? You can run it passively while you sleep, work, or do other things. In terms of earnings, users report making $15 per week with just one phone running the app. However, some savvy users have taken this a step further by using multiple devices to increase their earnings. By setting up old or unused phones, some people are earning $200 to $400 per month just by running Cash Magnet 24/7. The key to making decent money here is letting the app run continuously. Some users even set up old phones just to run Cash Magnet, earning passive income without lifting a finger. Bonus app. App trailers. Get paid to watch. App previews. Now, for a quick bonus. App trailers. This app lets you watch trailers for new apps and earn points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. It's a fun way to discover new apps while making money. The earnings are similar to Swagbucks, small but consistent if you watch regularly. Most people using app trailers report making $25 to $50 per week by watching app previews. But the key here is to focus on their bonus point campaigns where certain trailers pay out more than others. If you catch these bonuses, you can boost your monthly earnings. One of the coolest things about app trailers is that they often have bonus point campaigns where certain trailers pay out more than others. Keep an eye out for those to maximize your earnings. Pro tip: stack earnings with multiple apps. Before we wrap up, here's a pro tip to maximize your earnings. Don't just stick to one app. The best strategy is to use multiple ad-watching apps at once. For example, run Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Cash Magnet at the same time to stack your earnings across platforms. With the right setup, you could be making $50, $100, or even $200 plus per week just by watching ads and letting these apps do the work for you. Who doesn't want easy passive income? Let alone the money you can earn with the referrals. So there you have it. If you're looking to earn extra money in 2024, these apps are a great way to get started. They're simple, don't require any special skills, and can help you make money during your downtime. I've put all the links for the apps in the description, so make sure to give them a try and let me know in the comments which one works best for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on new ways to earn online.